Yeah, so I will put the video up there to the link for the soap. But what I did, I mean, it just looked horrific. But I took one of those crinkle cutters and made the took off the really ugly looking top, and I sold the soap for like $4 each, and they just sold out like boom like that. So anyway, so she enjoyed the fragrance so much that she requested it. And so here's the Country Christmas, and this is from Rustic Essentials. And yep, so this is an 8-ounce bottle. And so her two favorite colors, hopefully I'm holding this down, is the purple and pink. Let me get over here. Yep, so she loves purple and pink. Here we go. Fantasia. I'm going to try Fantasia. First time I've used this, and this may be the first time I've used the rose pink from Nurture Soap. And so I'm going to have the white base and maybe just do a drop swirl and maybe just put a spoon in it, mix it up, and then hopefully if I remember to save enough, I'm going to do some piping with the white and the purple and the pink. And here are the three, I believe these are all the 1M, the Wilton 1M. And so I am using probably full water, if not a little bit more. It's 2 1/4 to 1. And so here is all of the lye solution in there. And I'm hoping that this will not overflow. I need a bigger container, folks. I do. So alrighty, so let's give this a quick little temperature. Alright. So the oils are about at what, 80? Maybe just a hair lower. And I sure hope this isn't going to overflow. Oh my gosh. And the lye is a little bit on the warmer side because I had to add some more. We got 89.6. Yeah, so I had to add like about 5 extra ounces. So, and then I do have my organic coconut milk here. That's about 6 ounces. So Okay, I am back, and the white batter, even though it was thick in the container, it's not that thick in the bag. It's kind of running out, and it looks like it's trying to rise up on me. And then the purple here, that's okay, and the pink here, that really looks like it's trying to rise up on me, and that's the thickest of the three. So hopefully I have saved enough, and so what I think I'm going to do, since I have more of the white, I think I'm going to, whoop, making a mess already. I think I'm just going to maybe make a couple extra rows. Let's see. I know if I were to do the, oh yeah, look at that, see, that's already thickening up on me.